Hey everyone! Today I'm taking you on a delectable journey back to the 1960s, where some of the simplest and most flavorful dishes were born. If you've ever wondered what your mum or grandma cooked back in the day, you're in for a treat. First up, we're diving into the world of tuna noodle casserole. Imagine a creamy mix of tuna, egg noodles and peas, all baked under a crunchy breadcrumb topping. This dish was a staple in every household because it was quick, easy, and oh so satisfying. Perfect for those busy weeknights when mum needed to whip up something delicious in no time. Next, let's talk about meatloaf. This isn't just any meatloaf, it's the 60s version with a twist, packed with ground beef, breadcrumbs, and a medley of spices. And don't forget that tangy ketchup glaze on top. It was the ultimate comfort food, and every bite brings back a flood of childhood memories. Now for something a bit unconventional yet utterly irresistible Jell-O salad. Yes, you heard right. This retro dish combined Jell-O with fruit, cottage cheese, and sometimes even vegetables. It was colourful, wobbly, and surprisingly refreshing. A whimsical addition to any dinner table that kids absolutely loved. How about some chicken a la king? This creamy, savoury dish featured tender chicken, mushrooms, and peppers in a velvety sauce, served over rice or toast. It was fancy enough for entertaining guests, yet simple enough for a family dinner. And who can forget the classic beef stroganoff? Strips of beef cooked in a rich, creamy mushroom sauce, served over a bed of egg noodles. This dish was pure comfort in a bowl, and the aroma alone could draw the whole family to the dinner table. Finally, let's sweeten things up with a timeless dessert. Pineapple upside-down cake. This cake was a showstopper with its caramelized pineapple rings and maraschino cherries on top. Moist, buttery, and simply divine. So there you have it, a taste of the 60s with these classic and unconventional dishes. These recipes remind us of simpler times where meals were made with love and shared with family. Give them a try and bring a bit of nostalgic magic back into your kitchen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious journeys into the past. Happy cooking!